All right, let's totally switch gears. So far, everything's been about generating IDs, creating new sequential values. Generated columns are completely different. They're not about creating new information from scratch. They're about computing values based on other columns that are already in that same row.
And honestly, the best way to wrap your head around this is to think of a spreadsheet. You know how you have a number in cell A2, another in B2, and then in C2 you type a formula like equals A2 plus B2, and it just magically calculates the answer? A generated column is exactly that, but for your database table. It's a living formula.
And the syntax is actually pretty easy to read. We're creating a new column called university_full_info, and we're telling the database its value is generated always as this expression. In this case, we're just saying take the name, add a comma and a space, and then tack on the address. And that stored keyword just tells the database to physically save the result to disk, so it's always ready.
So here's what that looks like in action. All we did was insert Harvard and Cambridge. That's it. The database saw that, ran our little formula, and automatically filled in that third column for us. Just think about that. You will never have to write application code to join those two strings together ever again.
But wait, it gets even cooler. This isn't just a one-time thing when you insert a row. If you go back later and update the address for this university, Postgres is smart enough to automatically rerun the formula and update the university full info column to match. This means your computed data is never stale or out of sync. It is literally self-maintaining data.